Guys, if your Chrome browser is running very slowly, then you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you how to fix the slow responding Chrome browser. Okay, just follow the steps and make your browser faster. First go to the Chrome browser and just open that browser. First of all, what you have to do is that go to your three dot, click that and click the setting option and click here privacy and security. So after you can find out delete browsing data. Here you can delete history, cookies, cache and more. So that click here, and here you have to select all time and just click delete and click the next and check all and delete also. This is the first step. After check if there is so many tabs are open in your Google Chrome. If there are so many tabs are open, this also makes your browser slow. So then close all the open browser. Okay, and you can close the all browser. Now next is that we have to update your Chrome browser. Just click the three dot and click the help and check about Google Chrome. Click that and here you can find out the Chrome browser. Okay, and if the Chrome browser is the older version, then it automatically update your driver from here. Okay, we have to connect it with the internet to process this update. It's updating right now. Next tip is that again go to the three dot and go to setting. At this time go to the system and here you can use the graphics accelerations when available. Turn this on. Then after press shift plus escape to open the text manager of the Google Chrome. Shift or escape and if you find out there the high CPU usage, tab, then after just click that tab and just end task, and so you can end task and makes your browser a little bit faster, right? These are the very useful tips to make your browser faster and best up. Okay guys, if you like this video, then do share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.